Selling digital products on ClickFunnels is an efficient way to deliver content to customers. Here's how to set it up. Create a funnel. Log into your ClickFunnels account. Click Build Funnel and choose a funnel type. Select the pre-built sales funnel template or start from scratch. Customize funnel steps. Edit the sales page to showcase your digital product with compelling copy, images, and videos. Use a drag-and-drop editor to add elements like headlines, product descriptions, and call-to-action buttons. Add an order page to process payments and collect customer details. Set up your product. On the order page, click Products, Add Product. Connect the payment gateway and configure product details like price and product name. Enable digital delivery by providing a download link or access to membership content. Automate delivery. Set up an automation to send a digital product via email or grant access through a membership area. Test and launch. Test the funnel to ensure a smooth customer experience. Launch your funnel and start promoting your digital product.